Wow, this flies very well. Let me pick it up. Try it from this angle. Wow, look at that tree, huge. Wow, I like this paper airplane, guys. Very good for flying, for a short distance plane. Very good one. Check it out again. Whoa, it's spin around and then it's glide for a distance. Very unique. Of course, there's not a long distance one, but it's very fun to fly with. Oh, what's this up there? Check it out. Wow, it glides, guys. So if I throw it from a very high building, this will fly for a long distance properly. So let's throw it up high to see how far it can fly. Okay, let me show you this way so you can actually see the plane clearer. Alright, check it is. Wow, amazing, amazing. I tried here. I actually like this tree here. Alright, let me throw it up to the tree. Wow, I like the way it looks like this. Wow, wow. Hello everybody, welcome to Tree Dance channel, and today I'm very excited to show you how to create something new. So let's start today. I will be surprised you at the end of the video, so just follow step by step. Alright, so first step, let's clean up the table first and fold the paper in half. Okay, so fold the paper in half this way first. Okay, let me press down the paper, and now let's unfold the paper. Alright, on the following step, let's fold the paper in half again vertically. Alright, so this is what we have. Let's turn the paper this way so you can see it clearly. Okay, so very good. Now let's start from the upper edge. Fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. So I finish this side first and repeat the same fold for the other side. Now I press down the paper as well. Okay, once I finish both sides, now I unfold the paper. Now you can see this crease. I will open this part of the paper and then I press this upper part down. Alright, so just press it down like this. Ta-da! So this is what we have. We just finished one side of the paper. Let's repeat the same fold for the other side of the paper. Alright, so this edge of the paper, let's open the paper, open both sides, press it down. Make sure that this crease matches with the crease below. Very easy. Press it down. Here we go. So finish both sides. Awesome. Let's turn the paper over. Start from this upper part. Let's fold it backward to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Wow, look at this, what we have here. Very easy, right? Okay. On the following step, let's do it this way. Let's start from this upper part first to the other part here. So fold the paper in half basically. So just fold the paper in half. Alright, perfect. And now look at this. We have this edge and this edge. Imagine that you have a straight line from this point to the other point. And I fold this part of the paper up. Alright. So for that side of the paper up already. Next step, I will start from this upper edge upward to this crease. Wow. Look at this. And I fold this side up again to hold that part. Alright, and I fold even more. There we go. So this is what we have. And now I can fold the paper in half. Now let's start from this side, foot down. estimate about half an inch, or easier, you can just look at this side. It's about half an inch already, so just fold this side out. Perfecto. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Do you remember this paper airplane that I created a long time ago? I call it the solid wing. And now this is a new version of the solid wing. Okay? A sonic wing. Okay? Not solid. Sonic. So, do you remember this paper airplane? Long time ago, about 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago, I created a paper airplane. I called it the sonic wing. And the paper didn't fly very well actually. It's still fun, but it doesn't fly very well. Now I recreate the plane, and hopefully this time it will fly much better. Let's look at the wings now. It's just very unique, right? It's very fun to fly with. So this is a sonic wing. Let's test it out, guys. And if it's fly well, or if you just think it's look cool, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Space to throw the plane. There we go. So make sure that the wings are even, and mine got beaten up, so it's not very good. Anyways, so just throw it. Let's see.